Hey, my name is Brittany Zachos. I am owner and interior designer at Zachos Design Group, a residential and commercial-based interior design firm out of New York. And we most recently opened a second location with my family called Zachos Realty and Zachos Design Group down in Sarasota, Florida, my hometown. I am really excited today to share with you guys three most common asked questions I get from homeowners. And the first question is going to be where to splurge and where to save when you're on a budget. And I'm first going to talk about the living room. The best place to splurge is definitely a sofa. It's where your family spends most of their time, and I think it's really important to get a high quality and very good fabric for your sofa. And I would say save money on the end tables. You can get a lot of great end tables at like Target, Home Goods, Wayfair, for even under $100. Another room that I suggest kind of balancing your budget in would be your bedroom. Please spend money on your mattress. I know you can't see it, but you can feel it. And I think matching that with a really nice headboard and some bedding is the way to go. And then again, save some money on your end tables and lighting. And then I'm gonna talk about the kitchen. Definitely spend money on your countertops. Make sure you're getting the right quality and type of stone that works for you and your family. Not everyone wants marble, but they do want quartz, so I definitely say spend the money on that. And really save money when it comes to the cabinetry. You can get some really nice stock cabinets that you would never be able to tell that they're not high-end. And another suggestion to kind of save money on cabinetry is to go with the painted cabinets. A painted finish is a lot less money than going with a natural wood, such as like a walnut or mahogany, whatever your preference is. But painted cabinets can really help you save some money when it comes to your kitchen. The most asked question I get to is my recommendation on paints. And today I'm going to kind of talk to you guys about my most used and selected white paints. I really love Benjamin Moore, so these three colors are from their brand in particular. The first one I'm going to go with is just a warm white, and that is called White Dove by Benjamin Moore. And that is actually the color that's behind me. This is my home, so I even used it in my home. I think it complements really well with neutrals, grays, and any color you want to really pair with it. And then another gray color that's a little bit cooler would be Horizon by Benjamin Moore. And that definitely has like a blue undertone, and I've used that in a nice modern tropical project I had down here in Florida. And it just really gives you that nice Florida vibe without it kind of being screaming Florida. So I really love that color, and I also have used it where it was 50% color, so that's another little tip that I suggest. If you fall in love with a color and it's not quite the right tone, or you want it a little bit lighter, definitely get a sample and have them kind of do like a 50% or 75% color match. And another great color I love is Simply White by Benjamin Moore, and this one I use more so in my corporate office designs and retail and healthcare. It's a great white. It's just kind of down the line, doesn't really give you a green, yellow, blue, or any tone. It's just a really great white. And I love using this in corporate commercial design because it just kind of pairs with every color that you would ever want to use. And a lot of times we're doing company colors and kind of matching that with grays or beiges. We even used it in our office here in Sarasota. Definitely check that out on our website if you want to see that. So I really like to utilize that color in the private offices and open areas, and then use accent colors throughout the office spaces. That way no room is super overwhelmed by a color or a company color. So those are my three most common questions that I get asked. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I can't wait to share with you some more tips and tricks we have. We will see you guys soon. Thank you.